Hi everyone, I am Prasad. Welcome to Professor Spark channel. So this is the fourth class for electrostatic chapter. Now the question is the force between two charges Q and Q which are displaced d meters is F. What is the net force on Q in following the cases? See here, Q and Q separate a displacement d. So what is the force? Force is given F. So what is the relation among them? See, F is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square. Okay? See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square is F. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square. What is the net force on Q? See here, what is the force on Q? So by the remaining charges. See here, all charges are on the same line. See 4Q minus Q separated a distance d, minus Q and Q separated a distance d, Q and 2Q separated a distance d. See here, first I calculate the force on Q by 2Q. So that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q to Q by what is the distance? That is the d square. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. See, to Q by d square. Okay, so what is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q by d square? That is F. So that is equal to what? 2F. So force on small q by 2Q, that is 2F. So that is, what is the direction? Look here, on Q. So 2Q is a repulsion, the Q charge in this direction. Okay, so this is along this direction. Next, force on small q by minus Q. Okay, so what is the formula? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So Q by d square. Okay, so here minus Q is not taken here. Okay, so I want only magnitude. See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square, that is F. So what is the direction? See, minus Q attracts small q along this direction. Okay, along this direction, right? So that is along this direction. See, so F. So what is the direction? This is the direction. Next one, F small q, force on small q by 4Q. That is, see here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1, Q2 by, so what is the distance between Q and 4Q? See here, from, so total distance from Q to 4Q, that is d plus d, that is 2d. Okay, so distance whole square. So that is, look here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 Q by d square. So here 2 square is 4. So 4 cancel. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square, that is F. So that is F. So what is the direction of the force? Say Q and 4Q are the positive charges. So 4Q repels the Q along this direction. See here, so this is the direction. Look here, two forces are in the same direction and one of the force is opposite direction. I take this direction is positive, this is the direction is negative. So total force, that is equal to 2F is left side and F is also left side direction, but F is in right direction, so that is minus F, so total answer is 2F. So we get the plus, that means toward the left side. The force between two charges Q and Q which are displaced d meters is F. What is the net force on small q in following the cases? See here in the figure there is the right angle triangle at the 90 degrees. So there is small q, remaining vertices are minus 9q plus 4q. So minus 9q is at a distance 3d plus 4q is at a distance 2d. Okay, see here the given the force F is equal to, that is between two charges Q and Q. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q and Q by, so what is the distance? That is d square. Okay, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square is equal to F. Okay, that is in the data. So what is the force on Q? Okay, so how many charges are there? Minus 9q and plus 4q. So now force on small q by minus 9q. First we calculate this one. So what is that? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, q1 q2 by r square. So what is the distance? That is 3d whole square. Okay, so that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. See here, minus 9q into q, that is 9q into q. I don't take here minus. Okay, so that is the represent the direction. Here I only want to the magnitude. Okay, 3 square, that is 9, d square, 9 and cancel. So what is the force here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by d square, that is equivalent to F. See here F. Now what is the direction? See, minus 9q attracts the q towards force on small q by 4q. So what is the formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by, so what is the distance? That is 2d whole square. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q 4q by 2 square, that is 4d square. Okay, 4 cancel, q by d square. Okay, so what is this? That is F. So that is F. So 4q and q are positive charges. So 4q repels the q along this direction. Look here, two forces, okay, F and F, are acted on the point Q with an angle 90 degrees. Two vectors P and Q are acted with an angle theta. Then resultant vector is R is equal to square root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay, one of that formula. Look here. So now force F and another force. So these are two vectors making an angle 90 degrees. So what is the resultant force? Okay, resultant force okay of F and F, which make 90 degrees. Okay, so that is square root F square plus 2F into F cos 90, 0. So this term becomes 0. F square plus F square, that is 2F square that is equal to root 2 here F square, root of F square is F. So what is the answer? That is root 2 F. So what is the direction? Look here, direction is exactly diagonal of the parallelogram. Okay, so this is, so see here, so both forces are equal, so resultant is makes 45 degrees with the F. So next question, two forces between two charges Q and Q which are displaced at d meters is F. What is the net force on the Q following the case? Look here. So here observe the all sides whose length is d. So this is the equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means each angle is 60 degrees. Force between two charges Q and Q and displaced d meter is F. That means F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square. Okay, force on Q by that Q, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, so Q into Q by d square, so that is F. Okay, look here, so both are positive charges, so Q repels the Q along this direction, force on small q by other q. Okay, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by d square, that is F. See here, Q and Q both are repelled each other, so Q repels the Q along this direction. See here, two forces acting on small q. What is the angle between the two vectors? Here that is 60 degrees. Okay, so this is the F, this is the F. Two vectors are acted with an angle the 60 degrees. Resultant force is P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So what is the P square? F, and the one is F, so making an angle 60 degrees. So resultant vector, that is F square plus 2FF cos 60. Okay, cos 60, that is 1 by 2, 2 cancel, F into F, that is F square plus F square plus F square, that is 3F square, that is equal to root 3 root of F square, that is F. So resultant is root 3F. So resultant vector is the diagonal of the parallelogram, so this is the resultant vector is this is. Okay, so this is the direction. Next question, the force between two charges Q and Q which are displaced at d meters is F. What is the net force on the Q following the cases? Here, so four charges Q minus 2Q and Q and plus small q are the corners of the square. On small q there are three forces are acting due to three charges. One is Q minus 2Q and Q. Okay, force is given, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by d square. Force on Q by one of the charges, suppose I take here Q. So what is the formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by d square. So that is F. So that is F. So what is the direction? Q repels the small q along this direction. Next, force on Q by other Q. See, that is equal to F. Small q repulsion by the big Q along this direction. Next, force on Q by minus 2Q. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q minus 2Q. Distance is equivalent to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is equal to, what is the side? D square plus D square. So that is 2D square. So what is the hypotenuse here? That is root of 2D square. That is root 2 into D. Distance is root 2D. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 2Q into Q by root 2 whole square, that is 2D square. Okay, 2 cancel, minus here the direction, so I want to only magnitude. So what is the magnitude of this force? That is F. Minus Q attracts the Q along its side. Here three vectors are acted on the Q. So what is the magnitude of these vectors? F, F, F. Select these two vectors and making an angle 90 degrees. So what is the resultant force? Resultant of force and F making an angle 90 degrees. That is square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90. Cos 90 0. So this is a 0. Okay. Root F square plus F square. That is 2F square. Root 2 into F. Direction diagonal. These two forces are equal in magnitude. So it makes an angle 45 degrees. Resultant vectors make an angle 45 degrees. Root 2F. See, force on Q due to minus TQ along this direction. Okay, that is exactly opposite to the root 2F. Now, resultant force F and root 2F, so which make an angle 180 degrees. So, both are in opposite direction. So, resultant in magnitude, that is root 2F minus F. So, F is common, that is root 2 minus 1. See here, larger force is towards this side. So resultant is root 2 minus 1 into F. So this is the direction. Okay. This is direction, this is the magnitude. Question. See on the line Q, 8Q, 27Q and 1000Q. So which are displaced? Q is at a distance d from small q. 8Q, it is a displacement that is 2D. 27Q, that is 3D, like that one. Here the charges are placed on the x-axis. So what is the resultant force on the Q? F here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square. Force on small q by q. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square. So that is F. Force on Q by 8Q. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q 8Q by, so total distance 2D whole square 4D square. So 4 2s are. So that is 2F. Next force on small q by 27Q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here Q 27Q by 3D whole square. So distance from Q, so that is 9D square. So 9 3s are. So that is 3F by the another charge, that is should be equivalent to 4F. Say like this one, force on Q by 1000Q. So what do you expected here? See here, 8 is nothing but 2Q. So the answer is 2F. 27, that is 3Q. So answer is 3F. Okay, suppose here 64Q, that is 4Q. Okay, so we get the 4F. So what is the 1000? In form of Q, that is 10Q. Okay, so get here 10F. Okay, say all are the positive charges. So Q is repelled by all in all this direction. Okay, so F resultant is sum of FQ, F8Q, F27Q plus and so on F1000Q. So answer is F plus 2F plus 3F plus and so on plus 10F. Okay, so answer is F is common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 10. This is the resultant force. So F, we know sum of natural numbers, that is equal to formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, from that formula, see here, what is n here? 10. into 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 2, so that is 55. So F resultant is 55 F. Two charges 1 coulomb and 9 coulomb are separated at distance 10 meter. Where should be third charge be placed between 1 coulomb and 9 coulomb so that three charges are in equilibrium? Equilibrium in force on that charge should be 0. So there are three charges. See, 1 coulomb and 9 coulomb are separated by a distance 10 meters. See, third charge is placed somewhere between them. Suppose it is x from 1 coulomb, then it become 10 minus x from 9 coulomb. See here, equilibrium in total force is 0. Suppose I take the force on Q by 1 coulomb and 9 coulomb. So that is 0. Similarly, force on 1 coulomb by 9 coulomb and Q should be 0. Similarly, force on 9 coulomb by 1 coulomb and charge Q should be 0. See, I take the first case, force on Q by 1 coulomb. Okay, so what is the formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 1 Q by d square, that is x square. Force on Q by 9 coulomb, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 9 by distance is 10 minus x whole square. See here, Q is in equilibrium in total force is 0. See here, suppose 1 coulomb repel the Q along this direction. Okay, definitely 9 coulomb is also repulsion the Q opposite side to the repulsion of 1 coulomb. Okay, and this resultant is 0 mean both are same magnitude. Okay, so total force on Q is 0 mean, so both forces are equal in magnitude and in opposite direction. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 9q by 10 minus x whole square. See here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel, q cancel. Look here, 1 by x square, that is equal to 9 by 10 minus x whole square. 1 is written as 1 square by x square, 9 is written as 3 square and 10 minus x whole square. See here, 1 square by x square, so both has squares, so common is square. So here also common is square. Okay, so here both are square cancel. See here, we get 1 by x is equal to 3 by 10 minus x. See, take cross multiplication, then we get 3x is equal to 10 minus x, 4x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 by 4, so 2 2s are 2 5s are 2.5 meters. Okay, so what is x? X is equal to 2.5 meters. So third charge is placed at a distance of 2.5 meters from 1 coulomb. Similarly, same third charge that is placed 10 minus 2.5, that is equal to 7.5 meters from 9 coulomb.